In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find penny items or discounted items in Dollar General. So here's how it works. Once you go to the Dollar General website, if you scroll down, you will see shop by category. And you have the option of either dollar deals or on sale deals. If we select the dollar deals section here, we'll be able to see different products which are $1 or less, and you can purchase them right here as you would normally from the website. And also, if you want to find penny items, you can select on sale here and go through the different items which are on sale, and some of those will be basically discounted to the point of reaching about 1 penny, and then you can purchase them from the website here, add to list, and you will purchase them from within your cart. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.